What is up, boys and girls? Long time no see. It's your keyboard man, yours truly, Jacob Rothenberg here. Sorry I haven't published a video in a while. I've been busy with real life stuff. But yes, I am here, alive and kicking, doing better than ever on publishing. And you'll see that real damn soon if you don't know who I am already. What I want to talk about today is part 2 of why you suck at Amazon self-publishing, why you aren't seeing the results you are striving to hit. Maybe you're hitting obstacles with getting a book to be profitable. Maybe you aren't profitable. Maybe you've been publishing books that suck and haven't been making money for you and you're frustrated. If you're frustrated, keep on watching. We're here to fix that. So, without further ado, how you're approaching books now versus how I approach publishing books is going to be discussed, and how we're going to fix that, we're going to get to that right now. So without further ado, let's do it, baby. All right, so here's your typical approach to publishing. I see this with about 95% of new publishers, and with about 100% of publishers who aren't making money, who are really generally trying. Maybe they do have direction. They're likely following a course's guidelines. A good course, like the Blueprint. Link is below if you're interested in that. But I see a lot of students, especially in a course related to self-publishing, where they're really trying to make it work, but they're just not hitting it still. So what are some common things that they're doing? I have compiled all of these approaches, and I've found generalities with how people are doing this book. So, you find a keyword, you think it's good, maybe it's not, and you publish a book that's similar to every other competitors for that title. So, if we have a book on C++ programming, there's many other C++ programming books out there. What are you going to do? If you find it to be profitable, you want to publish for it, what are you going to do? Yes, you're going to publish yet another guide on C++ programming and hope that yours gets picked up instead of everyone else's. How you're going to do that? I don't know how, but yeah. Maybe you're going to rely on using fake reviews to get ranked because you've been taught, you've been told that your book needs to be towards the top of rankings for the search results on Amazon for your keyword to be bought. And yes, to an extent that is true. How you're doing it though is that you're getting fake reviews. You're doing review swaps. And that's your main way. That's your only real strategy in getting ranked. Now, am I saying that I'm against necessarily using fake reviews to get ranked? I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is it's your only strategy of getting ranked. Do you know another way? Do you really know another way to get ranked without using fake reviews or even reviews at all to consistently sell your book? Tell me. You probably don't know. So, there's that. And with that, like I said, you're hoping customers choose your book over the dozens, possibly hundreds of other titles, other guides for the keyword you've published for. Why would they choose your book? Because it's towards the top of the search engine ranking, right? Well, what if someone makes the same book as you, gets the same review swaps done, and they're half your price? What do you think happens after that? Oh shit, my book's done. You're done. There's nothing unique about your proposition with what value you're giving customers with your book, because it's just like everyone else's. You're just gaming the system and hoping this little book, oh, it's towards the top of the ranking. I'm tricking y'all. There's nothing good about it. It's just like everyone else's, right? So with that, you can totally earn 100, maybe even 200 a month from doing a book like that in the short term if you're lucky. And if you're watching this video, you're new to publishing and you're struggling, you've likely tried this approach and you're not even making 100 a month. You're not even making $10 a month from that book you published. Maybe you didn't make sales. You tell me. So, the inherent problems with your approach. your approach sucks, okay? There are no distinguishing features from other competitors' titles in your book, okay? So let's take an example that was discussed in Mecca's video with AJ, okay? CBD oil, all right? There are dozens of books on CBD oil out there right now. It's a guide on how to use one of those vape pens and vape away your pains, your diseases. So everyone's got the CBD oil guide, okay? What did AJ do? He published yet another CBD oil guide. Why would someone choose his book over any other competitors? Yes, maybe he has a better cover, maybe he has a better title, maybe he's got a good price associated with it. But in AJ's case, his cover was average at best, his title was confusing, and his description was decent. But guess what? It wasn't making sales because there's nothing compelling. There's no unique value proposition to that customer with your approach. Okay? And with that, if you're relying on fake reviews to get attention to your book and to get ranked, guess what? You're fucked because fake reviews get purged regularly. They get removed. Everyone in publishing knows this. It's a fact of life. It's unavoidable. Get 30 books, get 30 reviews done for a book. Month later, you only see 3 to 5 left. Shit's crazy. So yeah, with that, your book's just gonna fly dead in the water with that kind of approach. And really, it's not an easy way at all to make anywhere near $3,000 a month or more from publishing. I mean, I suppose you could go batshit crazy, publish 100 books, hope something sticks for the short term. A few books might make it in terms of success, and you could theoretically earn 3,000 bucks, but guess what? You had to publish 100 fucking books. That's costly. All right, if we took, I'm just gonna use my calculator here real quick. So, just for shits and giggles, if you published 100 books right now, and I don't even know why I need a calculator because I'm multiplying by 100, but published 100 books, and let's say it cost you $300 a piece for the content, the cover, the swaps. That's 30,000 bucks. Why the fuck are you gonna gamble away $30,000? Okay, in Amazon Publishing, you're not gonna do that. To make $3,000 a month, if you're somehow, uniquely lucky, stupid. So, that's just not gonna work, guys. If you're watching this video and that's how you've been doing things, it's not gonna work for Amazon. You just stop what you're doing, watch a good course, or better yet, watch right now. My approach to publishing. I publish books that are different from my competitors in some form. And different might be the angle I'm using to draw in a customer. It could be a much higher quality book in terms of not just content, but maybe how I'm delivering the message to solve a problem. And yes, it's got usually a personalized value proposition to customers. So to take into context with CBD oil, if I were to publish a book that was going to have personalized value to customers for that term, I would maybe do a book, a little controversial, CBD oil to treat cancer. Not cure cancer, I didn't say cure cancer, to treat cancer, maybe to lessen or slightly improve some symptoms in a factual manner, okay? Hopefully we can get some factual information on how CBD oil can treat cancer. Now, that's pretty fucking compelling for cancer patients, right? Let's say a cancer patient looks at CBD oil for a guide on their ailments and they see the book for cancer. Guess what? They're buying that book. Duh. And that's really the approach I try to take with most of my books for publishing. And I've found whenever I don't follow this approach, and it has happened, the books that do that route tend to not do very well at all. But when you do have a unique hook, a unique spin, a unique angle to draw in a certain customer for a keyword, even if it's being, how you say, a bigger fish in a small pond for a keyword, hey, you're a big fish that's drawing in guppies or something. Like, you're getting customers. You don't want to be the little fish in a big pond. You're not going to be seen. You're not going to be known. And you're not going to get sales, okay? And with that, and I know that sounds full of shit, I'm not entirely dependent on the number of views for getting my rankings or even for my sales. Case in point, I have books that have 2 or 3 reviews. I think in some cases they are actually real reviews, and these books are making good money. I have a book right now that at one point had 4 reviews, was making over $100 a day. Okay? Now, am I saying that I have never used fake reviews? I use fake reviews, guys. I'm not going to lie to your face. I use fake reviews too. But I don't depend on it for getting ranked or for my sales. You know what I depend on for getting ranked? Fucking selling my books. Okay? When you sell books, Amazon loves that. They want to make money. You want to make money. Get your book sold. Find a way. Hustle it. Market it. Pay for it to be sponsored by Amazon. Get that fucking thing sold. Amazon's going to reward you for that. They will position your search engine ranking better the more books you sell. That's a fact. That is the #1 influencer in their algorithm. I don't know the algorithm in its entirety, but I can tell you, if your books sell, you'll make more money, and your books will get ranked higher on Amazon. And I make fucking bank. Let me show you this, because if you haven't met me before, let me show you real fucking quick who I am with a new book I just put out. In 1 week, 7 days, the last 7 days in July of 2018, I have a book in 7 days, 1 book that made $548. And my royalty per book is $18. I make $18 per book sale. Okay, I don't make $2 from Kindle Direct Publishing. I don't focus my game on selling ebooks for a $2 commission. I make $18 from one sale. And this is all in 1 week, right? From one of my books, $548. Okay, who else can say that here on Amazon? Self-publishing, besides Emeka, because he works with me. So yeah, guys, if you want to up your game, if you are facing obstacles and you're using an approach that I've just discussed, I'm here to help you. I'm here to solve your pain. I'm here to make things right for you. You need to join my course, my program, my mastermind, the Elite Keyword Mastermind. Link is below this video at elitekeywordmastermind.com. Link below for easy access. What I teach you is a multitude of things. First, I teach you how to find amazing, profitable keywords quickly in hours, sometimes minutes, sometimes seconds. How to find some of the best keywords on Amazon for self-publishing. So no longer are you wasting time. You're wasting time and you're wasting effort in spending days, weeks finding good keywords. Stop being in pain. Stop wasting time. Stop being frustrated. I'll show you how to do it. And I do in the Keyword Mastermind. Likewise, learn how to publish books that will draw in customers to you and away from competitors. I steal sales from other people. Shit. I did it with the yo-yo book. I did it with the Ethereum book. I did it with the fidget spinner book. I've done it with nearly all of my newest books. All the best ones in some way have ways of drawing in customers and getting my competitors out of the picture. How I do it, I show you in the course. So, if you want to make more money, pretty simple. Join my fucking mastermind. It's affordable. It's tax deductible. And hey, for a small fee, a small monthly fee, okay, you're going to make money that far surpasses the very reasonable membership for my mastermind. So this course is not a cost. It's an investment. It's going to make you money. It's not a cost like you pay for a cover or for your computer. You know, it's not a set cost. It's an investment that makes you money. Why? Most of all, it's because you get keywords from me every month to publish for. Shit. I give you keywords to publish for that are proven to be profitable, that are handpicked by yours truly to make you money. I have so many testimonials right now from students in the mastermind. You know them. They're actually in the blueprint too. You know them. They're on the internet. They're on YouTube. And Emeka's one of those people that have maybe used, I don't know which keyword, but they're making a fuck ton of money, okay? They are making money from their mastermind. Some of them are staying quiet about it. Some aren't. But I give you keywords to publish for every month. In fact, I'm giving the 4th keyword for July tomorrow. At the time I'm making this video, July will have 4 keywords, and you'll have access to every other month's keywords prior. So why are you waiting? Are you going to sit here and be frustrated that you're not making money on Amazon? Or are you really going to commit? Are you serious about this? Are you going to commit, learn how to do this shit right, join my mastermind, watch the lessons, work with my people, work with me, get my keywords, make money, and get this shit figured out for you finally? Link is below. Elite Keyword Mastermind. Guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.